wonderful performance from the team, a champion effort from the team, showing what the league is like. You guys are defending champions. What do you think about the importance of winning tonight?
It's very important, you know, it's getting the victory tonight. I think we are sending a message to Cavalier who will play in the semi-final. So it's a good matchup tonight, and you know we're glad we came out victorious.
And you guys went to extra time in the last game, man. How did fatigue affect you guys tonight?
Not much, because we did our recovery. You know, we didn't train much, just some set pieces that we practiced over the weekend. So we didn't really do much. So I think everyone went home, we got our necessary rest and came back tonight.
You scored the opener. How important was that putting the goal in the back of the net tonight for you?
It was very important. In that period of the game, I thought it was all done and dusted, but you know, they put up a very good fight, and you know, it was a champion's performance from Harbour tonight. Leveling, Umberline leveling the game 3-3, you know. We had to regroup and go again, and we found a goal.
How important is rest and recovery now for you guys? Because you guys have a third match play on Friday, and then next up you guys have the big match coming again.
Yeah, rest is always important, but if you look on the fixtures, it's even between Cavalier and us, because they have the link-up final and we have the third place, and we're playing on the same day. So it's two evenly matched teams, so we just look forward to the semi-finals.
All right, well done and good game again.
All right, thank you.